Hello, we are going to first of all find the value of x and then classify a triangle. An important piece of information is the sum of the angles equals 180 degrees. So for this triangle, 41 degrees plus 37 degrees plus x equal 180 degrees. And I'm going to go ahead and write an equation. 180 equals 41 plus 37 plus x. Now I'm going to combine terms. So 41 plus 37, 4 plus 7 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 78 plus x equals 180. Now it's solving for this equation. I'm going to subtract 78 on both sides. My final answer, x equals 180 minus 8. So I'm going to borrow here. 102 degrees. So this is 102 degrees. Well, I just wrote that wrong. 102 degrees. So I see it's an acute angle, and an obtuse angle. So this triangle is an obtuse, scalene because all three sides are different, triangle. Okay, move over to this one. These hash marks tell me that these side lengths are all of the same size. And again, I'm going to go back to this angle plus the second angle plus the third angle equals 180. So 60 plus x equals 180 degrees. 60 plus 60 is 120 plus x equals 180. Subtracting 120 from both sides, and x equals 60 degrees. Okay, this is an equilateral triangle. It is also an equiangular, so we could call this one an equa. Equa means the same, angular, equilateral triangle. Same exact angles, all 60. Same exact sides. These little hash marks here tell you that the side lengths are the same. Okay, well, let's go ahead and move down to the next two. I'm going to pause, and I'm going to have you work those problems for yourself. Okay, now that you've got your problems worked, we're going to go ahead and 28 plus 124 plus x equals 180 degrees. So 4 plus 8 is 12, carry the 2, that's 152 plus x equals 180. And if you don't like it written this way, just put your 180 on the left. I know many of you prefer that, but it doesn't make any difference. I'm going to subtract 152 on both sides. So x would equal 28 degrees. So x is 28 degrees. Two angles are the same, two sides are the same, so this is an isosceles. This is an obtuse angle that actually goes in front, so it's an obtuse isosceles triangle. It's got two acute angles, but we care about that obtuse angle when we name it. Okay, this one I can tell right away it's going to be a right triangle. This symbol means 90 degrees. So I'm going to solve for this one, and 180 equals 78 degrees, angle 1, plus angle 2, which is 90 degrees, plus x. When I begin combining terms, I see that 78 plus 90 adds to 168. I'm going to subtract 168 from both sides. On the right side, I'm left with x, and on the left side, I've got 12, so x is 12 degrees. The three angles are different. The three side lengths are different. So this is a right, because of the right angle, scalene, no equal sides, triangle. Okay. Did you get both of those right? Let's hope you did. I'm sure you did. Now, we've got two more questions down here. Do these angles make a triangle? If not, replace the first angle measure. Okay, so I'm going to add these up. 50 plus 70 plus 80, and I'm questioning if they equal 180 degrees. I'm comparing them to 180. Well, 50 plus 70, I'm just going to put the 0 down here. 0 plus 0 plus 0. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 200. So clearly these don't work. So it's not a triangle with these measurements. It's not anything that doesn't work. I have to now adjust this first angle. Well, this number is 20 degrees too big. So I need to make this number 20 degrees smaller. So if this angle is 30 degrees, just make a light mark through that, then it should work. Well, 30 plus 70 is 100. 100 plus 80 is 180. So it's a 30, 70, 80. That one works. Ooh, this one, it's got fractions in it. We can do this. This is cool. So we're going to add them, and I'm going to add them vertically. 46 and 1/3 plus 81 and 1/2 plus 52 and 1/6. Common denominator of 2, 3, and 6 is going to be 6. So this stays 1/6. Multiply times 3. This becomes 3/6. Multiply times 2, and this becomes 2/6. There we go. 2 plus 3 is 5 plus 1, so this is 6/6. Okay, so that's 1. 40, let's see, 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9. This is 12, so it's 179 and 6/6 degrees, but I could rewrite that one better to be 180 degrees. So this is a triangle. Okay, those degrees do add up to 180 degrees to make a triangle. Have a great afternoon.